Hey boo boo kitties, hey boo hey. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create this easy glow outline to elevate your thumbnails. So of course, we're going to hop into the handy dandy Canva, and I already went to uploads and uploaded this image that I'm going to be using to create the glow outline. So the first thing we're going to do, boo boo kitties, once you upload the image that you want to create that glow outline with, the first step we're going to do is hop into edit. We're going to go to BG remover, which is background remover, and we are going to remove the background. Okay, anytime you want to create an outline or a shadow, XYZ, I would highly recommend removing the background. And your boo boo kitty be indecisive when she's editing, so I ended up changing this image, y'all. So you're gonna see that in a second. I'm actually gonna delete this image, and I uploaded another image. I was like, we're going to do this one today. So I just did the same steps, edit, BG remover for background remover. And anytime I remove, I'm out of breath, y'all. Anytime I remove a background within an image, I always just crop that extra space like this. All right, boom. Already looking like a popping thumbnail, y'all, with the blurred background. All right, next we're going to hop back into edit. And this time we are going to go under effects. All right. And we're going to choose shadows. Now underneath shadows, you're going to see right underneath none is going to say glow. And this is how you create that glow effect, you guys. That glow outline is so easy. You can't really see it because the color is black. So I'm going to tap the black circle. And since I have like black and like a lime green, I'm going to do a green outline like this. And once you decide on which color you would like, you can increase the intensity, you can modify the blur amount, and you can also adjust the size of the glow, whether you want it to be larger or smaller. I'm going to go with this, and I'm just going to crop this extra space like this again, and boom, y'all have y'all glow outline for your thumbnails, boo kitties, for your profile pictures, for whatever graphics you want to utilize, whether it's for YouTube or your social media handles, for your business promo, whatever you want to do, boo kitties, is that easy. So make sure that you like this video, comment down below, and don't forget to hit subscribe. So I'll see y'all tomorrow in the next tutorial. Bye.